I think that the moment that you feel that something is wrong, you're probably right. You shouldn't question if there's something wrong with feeling wrong. It's actually okay. And there needs to be tools or practices that we all instill so that we can identify what actually is going on. If you or someone you know is having thoughts of suicide or experiencing a mental health or substance use crisis, 988 Lifeline provides 24/7 compassionate support and connection to trained counselors. When you call, text, or chat 988, you'll be quickly connected to trained crisis counselors who will listen to your concerns, provide support, and connect you to additional resources if needed. You are not alone. For 24/7 support, just call, text, or chat 988. There is hope. The 988 Lifeline works.